In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable default notifications for a ClickUp list. We'll walk through setting up clear, useful alerts for a specific list in ClickUp, so you stay informed without getting overwhelmed. Start by logging in and navigating to the list you want to manage. You can use the sidebar to browse your workspace or the search bar to jump straight to it. When the list opens, take a moment to confirm you see the tasks and views you expect, like tasks or backlog. This quick check ensures you're editing the right place. Next, open the list's settings. In the list view, look for a small gear icon or a settings link, usually in the top right or along the sidebar. Click that to open the list level settings. If you don't see it, you may not have permission to change notifications for this list or workspace, so keep that in mind as we move forward. Inside settings, find the notifications section. This is your control center for what triggers alerts. Things like task assignments, mentions, due date changes, and status updates, as well as where those alerts appear, such as in-app, email, or mobile push. Within notifications, look for a preset or default option and choose the default or recommended preset. This balanced setup typically includes alerts for tasks assigned to you, direct mentions, and significant deadline or status changes. It intentionally avoids flooding you with less critical updates, which makes it a great starting point for most teams. Now, enable your notifications. Click Enable Notifications or the closest equivalent to activate the preset. If you see separate toggles for in-app, email, or mobile, you can leave them as they are for now. The important part is turning notifications on so you can experience the default behavior in real time. Use ClickUp as you normally would for a bit and pay attention to which actions trigger alerts. Ask yourself whether the notifications are helpful or a little noisy. You can always return to settings, open notifications again, and fine tune. For example, if you prefer to keep everything inside ClickUp, turn off email while keeping in-app alerts. Or if every status change feels excessive, disable that specific event and keep only the critical ones. If you don't see notifications or settings at all, try a quick page refresh. If that doesn't help, check your permission level with a workspace owner. In some cases, admins manage notifications at the workspace or space level, which can override list level options. That's it. You've opened your list, applied ClickUp's recommended notification preset, and turned on targeted alerts to keep you informed without the noise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.